Hey guys, this is Deepak from 91 Mobiles and I have both the new Nokia 8 Sirocco and the predecessor, the Nokia 8 in my hands, and I'm going to run you through a comparison of these two phones and figuring out what's new in the new Nokia 8 Sirocco. Now, first things first, the Nokia 8 Sirocco is a very stylish looking phone thanks to these edges that taper towards the sides. Looks really stylish, almost an edge-to-edge display here. This is a 5.5-inch QHD display, but surprisingly it's not 18:9. It sticks to the conventional 16:9 aspect ratio, which is of course the same resolution on the older Nokia 8 as well. So 2K resolution display, 16:9, but a smaller 5.2 inches in size. The fingerprint scanner on the older phone is on the front at the bottom, whereas the newer one has it at the back. The core specs are pretty similar, so Snapdragon 835 on both these phones, up to 6 gigs of RAM, 64 GB storage on the older one, but I believe the 8 Sirocco has 128, USB Type-C with fast charging. However, thanks to its glass body, the 8 Sirocco also features wireless charging. Unfortunately, there's no 3.5mm headset socket on the Sirocco, but the older phone still has it. Dual snappers on both. The Nokia 8 came with 13 megapixel dual cameras with Zeiss optics, but the newer one has 12 MP and 13 MP sensors at the back. At the front, the older one is the more powerful one with another 13 megapixel camera on the front, but the newer one for some reason sticks to a 5 megapixel camera. Both phones run stock Android, of course, but the 8 Sirocco holds the distinction of being part of Google's Android One program. The construction of these phones is pretty different. The Nokia 8 came with a aluminium body, full metal. The newer one uses glass completely and is a bit of a fingerprint magnet. So they might share parts of their names, but these phones are actually pretty different. The Nokia 8 of course has the volume rocker and power button on the right spine. The same case with the Sirocco, but seems that these buttons are recessed into the spine, so they're not as easy to access. Snapdragon 835 with 6 gigs of RAM on both these phones, so core specs are different, but designs, features like wireless charging, the cameras, the screen, pretty different. Notice how the dual cameras are different as well. They are vertically aligned, but the module on the Nokia 8 is much longer, contains the flash. The one on the 8 Sirocco has a smaller camera module with the two lenses stacked vertically with a flash placed on the right. No 3.5mm socket on this one. The 8 Sirocco uses software navigation keys, whereas the Nokia 8 had the capacitive navigation keys at front. This is because this is basically an all-screen display on the 8 Sirocco. So a quick comparison of the Nokia 8 with its newer sibling, the 8 Sirocco. Thanks for watching.